It's not looking good for the home team. What?
I said one at a time, don't overwhelm me.
Oh my God, it's evil.
So cute, dude.
Yeah.
You ever kiss them?
Lift that up for you.
Baby turkeys. Do we look gay with our animals?
When you can't kill turkeys, you just come and get the chicks. You're kikiing down there?
Mm-hmm.
Turkey lovins.
Turkey lovins.
Turkey lovins. You want some bunny lovins?
Oh my goodness, dude.
Oh my God.
No, I don't think I do. I do want to pet it though. Like,
He's fired up. Paisley.
hey, how bad you want to feel that tag, man?
Got that. He is a beautiful bird though.
Is he?
Yeah.
Most of them are ugly, man. The feathers are all.
My bird's beautiful.
What color is he?
He's
Ooh, he is pretty.
Wait till he struts. There he goes. 2.5-year-old.
Holy smokes, man. I've never seen one that pretty. For real. Can we pet him?
No.
He's too wild.
Wait till you see the spurs on my rooster.
Oh, dude, roosters has some freaking hooks on them, man.
Wait. He's got like almost 2 inch.
Yep.
His are daggers.
Dude, there's those white dogs again.
Rooster's over there. Rooster Cogburn. What are you losing all your wings? He's molting.
You think he'll attack me if I approach him?
No, he'll just slowly move away from me.
What if I corner him?
He's never attacked anybody.
I'm cornering him right now. That's cool your kids get to experience this.
How you like that? They get you fired up? Here's my hens in here laying.
I'm gonna send this footage to National Geographic see if I can get a
I got
job.
a hen, they're both laying on nests. Look,
Oh,
I mean,
cool.
she's laying there so much the chicken's been pooping on her.
Oh, you got turkeys, turkey hens.
Mama.
They're looking. Look,
tan
she looks
color.
pissed, man. Look at her. Dude,
May or may not try to kill you.
that cow is so freaking cute, man.
Here, I'll film you.
We're getting the farm tour here.
You got Butterscotch, Jess, Henri, Hart, Pee-wee, Ginger, and Shorty, and then Little Man. And